Welcome to today's security briefing. In this episode, we're diving into CVE 2025-31324, a critical vulnerability in SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer metadata uploader. This flaw allows unauthenticated attackers to upload malicious executables and potentially seize full control of affected systems. We'll unpack the details, discuss the impact, and outline steps to protect your environment. The affected product is SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer Development Server, specifically VC Framework version 7.50. Visual Composer is a low-code environment for building business applications on the SAP NetWeaver platform. Over 400 servers have been identified as vulnerable, and SAP has released an out-of-band patch to remediate the issue. CVE 2025-31324 is classified under CWE 434, unrestricted uploader file with dangerous type. In essence, the metadata uploader component lacks proper authorization checks, allowing attackers to upload arbitrary executables. This type of flaw can lead to remote code execution, privilege escalation, and complete system compromise if left unpatched. The metadata uploader in SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer does not enforce authentication or authorization before accepting file uploads. An unauthenticated agent can craft a malicious binary or script and upload it to the server. Once stored, the attacker can trigger execution of the payload, leading to arbitrary code execution with the privileges of the SAP service account. This jeopardizes the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the host system and any connected networks. Public reports confirm active exploitation in the wild, targeting enterprise environments. CVE 2025-31324 is a high-risk, zero-day vulnerability actively exploited against SAP NetWeaver installations. If you run Visual Composer VicFra MoWorks 750, apply SAP's out-of-band patch immediately. Restrict access to your upload endpoints, monitor logs for suspicious file deliveries, and ensure your incident response team is on alert. Staying proactive is key. Patch today to keep attackers at bay.